welcome to episode 2. Thank you for coming for episode whatever Lola makes. And today we're going to make crackers out of jelly. But make sure not to spill. Then we put them together and voila, a jelly sandwich. How much I eat them? Ask if you like to eat jelly crackers and raise your hand. And if you raise your hand, you'll get to eat another jelly crackers. But I can't do another episode 3 because I'm going to be going with my nanny. Bye. Come back for episode 3, and I hope you like whatever Lola makes. Bye. See you in another episode.